Hey YouTube, as you can see I purchased a Hyundai i40 that unfortunately doesn't have a cruise control. It has all the multifunctions button and everything is working, but it didn't come from the factory with the cruise control. But I really would like the cruise control, so that's why I bought that from a salvage yard. This part, it's exactly the same part, just with the cruise control. And it should fit here very well, and it will be interesting to see if it will be just plug and play. Tomorrow I will bring the car to a mechanic that's specialized in Hyundais, and we'll see if it gets to work. We'll keep you updated. So I'm today here at the local Korea Auto, and they installed this part, and I can soon find out if the cruise control works. So check this out, new part is installed. On the salvage part it cost me €40. All the lights are nicely working, and I don't know if something here happens if I push cruise off. Oh, we have a new sign, cruise limiter off. Looks like something is happening, but I guess I'll have to wait until I get to the open road and then see if it works. Everything volume knobs works. Interesting to know if the phone knobs also work. They apparently don't do nothing, but that's, I guess, could be more of the problem with the origin, that it's not the totally original stereo. Okay, but let's see. So I'm at the open road, so possibility to try out if it works. First let's press this. Now the sign comes cruise off. Now let's press set. And it holds nicely. I don't have my foot anymore on the pedal, and it looks like I got the cruise control working. So, very nice. So, to summarize, the salvage yard part worked perfectly. The installing was very easy. The guy said who installed it, he just plugged it in and it worked right away and didn't even need some factory reset or with the OBD. Just started working right away, and now I tried it also, it works perfectly. So, but of course every car can be different. That's not the warranty that it might work on you, but I think there's a very big likelihood that it will work. Maybe also a couple of words about the costs. So in total, installing the factory cruise control cost me €40 for the salvage part, and the exchange by the specialist mechanics by Korea Auto cost me $28.70. So in total I got, let's say, for €70 a working factory cruise control. So I think it's a very good deal, and if you happen to have the same problem, I would recommend trying it because the costs aren't that big. But maybe a little bit disappointing that with this aftermarket radio, the phone buttons unfortunately don't do nothing. But at least it looks good in the dark. So thank you for watching.